Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to turn off shuffle on Spotify in this video. Let's get started. First, start by opening Spotify on your device. Tap on your profile picture at the top left. Tap on any playlist that you want to listen to. Now beside the play icon is the shuffle icon. If it is green, then that means the shuffle is enabled. But if you tap on it and it turns white, it means it is disabled. Now your playlist won't be shuffled anymore. And that is how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.